Hello and welcome to this Ubuntu Geeks tutorial. I'm ugeek1 and today we're going to take a look at Hearthstone. It's running pretty smoothly here. I'm using the Play on Linux installment of this. It's in a window here, so it's a bit laggy, but it's better when it's full screen. The specs for my computer are quite good, so that shouldn't be an issue. So yeah, it's running really nicely. So we're gonna go ahead and install. So I'm gonna exit out of this. So let's close this one down, and I'm gonna terminate that process. System monitor, and we're gonna end that. There we are. And agent as well. There we are. I'm gonna remove this for now. So let's see. Again, install it. Yes. And removed. There we are. So a clean slate. Here we go. And I'm using Play on Linux for this. You can get it by either going into the terminal and going sudo apt-get install Play on Linux and your password, and it should be installed. If you don't use Ubuntu or some kind of different distribution, you can go on Play on Linux, their website here, and go to downloads and choose from these distributions here. So yeah, you can do this by just using Wine if you want, but I think this is easier. So we're gonna go ahead and click install, and we're gonna choose Hearthstone, and we're gonna click install here. It's currently in testing. Yeah, okay. And we're gonna go next here, and it's related to Wine. Yes. And I'm gonna create a prefix. Yeah. A virtual drive for wine prefix and whatnot. And it should install the Microsoft fonts. Here is one issue I had to do over to make it work. Let's see if it's fixed now or I have to do it again. It freezes here on the download and it doesn't install. It works now for me. I had to do a fix and install it on my main system using the terminal. I can show you after installation here, and some other fixes that might be needed for you. And there we have it. It's installed, and we're gonna go and choose a language. I'm gonna go for English EU, and I'm gonna click next. And it's gonna go and download the installer and update it. This might take a while, so I'm gonna pause here. And there we have it. The installation is coming up here. So we're gonna choose your destination for installment. I'm gonna click continue on this. And there you have it. It's fully installed. Just type in your email and password. And if you don't see these icons, that means something has gone wrong and we need to do an installation on either your core fonts or some DLLs. But let me start this. I will show you. And when you have done that, it's gonna go ahead and start downloading and installing the software. There we have it. It's fully downloaded and ready to play. But before we're gonna do that, I'm gonna go and close Battle.net down, and I'm gonna exit it and click OK. This so I can go ahead and click that the installation is done here on Play on Linux. So I'm gonna go installation is done. Be careful, this will kill the process. And yeah, we have closed everything down. We could check it in the system monitor as well if you want. We can see that it's running, but I don't think it's a problem. It's probably installed it fine. So click yes here, and it should close everything down and create a shortcut for you right here to run it. Just for easy access, I'm gonna go and configure this, and I'm gonna go on Wine. I'm gonna configure Wine, and I'm gonna do an emulated virtual desktop here. It doesn't matter really how big I do this. I'm gonna go ahead and do it like that, and we're gonna go and configure some more here. So the things you might need to make this run, it's we're gonna go into the libraries here, and the Play on Linux already added the MSV CPU 140 here, but you might need some more DLLs here for it to run. And you're gonna go and add in this one here, and this one, and this one, and this one. All of this will be in the description box below if you need it. If you can't make it to run, you can also go ahead and search here in the bar, and you will probably find them. So that's that. And for it to run, you might need a vcrun 2015. And for the final thing here, you might need the core fonts fix. I had a problem as well. I couldn't download it and install it, and the problem was on my main distribution here, and I had to go and download it manually by going in the terminal and going vget and download the TTFMS core fonts, and I did download, and you should have it in the download spot here. And then you just have to go and type in the command. Let's see, I have it right over here somewhere. Here, you're gonna go and sudo dpkg -i tts the core font and install and run that. And that should be everything. You might have to do sudo apt-get update and upgrade for everything to take effect. So yeah, let's close that one down, And another thing you can do, if that doesn't work, you can go install on just installation here and go, let's see here, fonts, Microsoft fonts, and install. And right here you can choose a prefix you want it to be installed on again, and it should begin to download the installation again in the prefix. So that helped me when I had to make it to run. So yeah, I'm gonna click run here and let's see if the game starts again. And there we have it, it's fully open. I'm gonna go just in time and press play here. And there you have it, it's starting up. And yeah, so that was the Hearthstone installation. The little video here plays as well. I'm just gonna click out of it. So yeah, if you have any questions, don't afraid to ask them below, and I will link everything in the description box regarding the DLLs and other files that you might need. So yeah, thank you for watching.